Open your web browser and go to vercel.com, then log into your account. You'll land on the Vercel dashboard, where you can see your list of projects. Find the project where you want to disable the security checkpoint and click on it. The project page opens, showing your deployment history and project details. Look at the sidebar navigation on the left and click on Settings. The Settings page loads with all your configuration options. In the Settings sidebar, click on Firewall. This opens the firewall configuration page. Within the firewall section, click on Bot Management. The bot management options become visible, including the attack mode controls. You'll see a section labeled Attack Mode. This is the security feature that shows visitors a challenge before they can access your site. Select Disable. The setting changes to disabled, and the security checkpoint stops appearing on your site. The change takes effect immediately for new visitors. To verify it's working, open an incognito or private browser window and visit your site. If the checkpoint is gone, you're done. If you're still seeing it, clear your browser cache and wait a few minutes for it to fully clear. You may also need to wait for Vercel's Edge cache to refresh, which typically happens within a few minutes.